Welcome to the 10-minute Business Fitness New Zealand content demonstration. This demonstration will give you a brief overview of a selection of content we provide to accountants in New Zealand. At Business Fitness New Zealand, we work with accountants who are looking for smarter, easier and more effective ways to produce great results. When I talk about business fitness content, I'm referring to the comprehensive document suite of content which includes procedures, processes, along with work papers, checklists, letters, forms, guides and frequently asked questions. The content enables you to improve productivity, workflow management, client services and profitability, as well as the opportunity to add additional service layers in your practice. Imagine if every team member in the business knew exactly what to do for any task in almost any given situation, or if they didn't, they knew exactly where to find the information and guidance. Our content solution sits on each PC in the firm and provides your team with rapid access to every process, procedure and/or tool required. Our star content includes integrated electronic work papers, along with a goldmine of workflow, compilation, compliance procedures, checklists, standard letters, and the raft of essential tools required to navigate everything from preparing a set of annual accounts through to the detail of company, trust, taxation, and ACC management. Business Fitness New Zealand is passionate about the accountant's goal to take pride of place as the small to medium-sized business's most trusted advisor. We also provide a suite of business advisory tools and processes for those professionals most committed to helping their clients in the 5 fundamental areas of their business development: growth, profit, cash flow, risk management, and succession planning. Simply put, Business Fitness New Zealand is the only New Zealand provider of its kind, providing monthly content updates that keep its product up to date with tax legislation, allowing firms to get on with the business of looking after their clients. Let's now take a look at some of this content. The Business Fitness Content Suite is broken down into 7 key areas: compliance, business advisory, administration, clients, frequently asked questions, HR, management and marketing. The content suite allows firms to delegate tasks confidently, upskill your current team, as well as assisting with the induction process for new team members. As I scroll through the compliance section, you will see the sheer depth of content. Let's take a look at electronic work papers. The work papers are a real efficiency tool and very intuitive to use. They've been developed using Excel functionality, meaning they're accessible and easy to use for the entire accounting team. Some of the key features of the work papers include integration with MYOB AO and APS General Ledgers, automatic journal creation, as well as the ability to do auto-reversing journals, collapsibility, enabling you to build the work papers required based on the client, smart review processes such as the ability for GL balances to download to your work papers with the auto compare and variance reporting. For those firms who do not wish to use the integrated work papers, we also have the static work papers, which simply do not have the integration option. The work papers also come with simple guides for administrators, users and reviewers. Business Fitness New Zealand hosts webinars on how to use the electronic work papers. We take the team through the key elements of compiling work papers and the significant efficiencies that can be made by utilising standardised work papers. We also take reviewers through the shortcuts that minimise review time and maximise risk management. As well as the general work papers, we also provide dividend for an investment fund, livestock, loss limitation and GST apportionment work papers. The next piece of content I'm going to take you into is company administration. The company administration procedure covers the life cycle of a company, right from forming the new company through to what happens throughout the year, ongoing annual obligations, and finally winding up companies. This comprehensive procedure allows firms to implement an annual company administration service that ensures compliance with directors' responsibilities under the Companies Act. We work closely with the Companies Office on all aspects of company administration procedures. To allow quick navigation to each step, you can simply click on the process map here to take you to the exact task. Let's go into the company's liquidation procedure. All of these procedures meet the statutory requirements of the Companies Act 1993. This procedure takes you through each detailed step in liquidating a company. Once again, the process map allows for seamless and quick navigation throughout the procedure. As I scroll through, you can see the very detailed steps and tools included in this procedure. As with the company administration, the trust administration follows a very similar format. The trust administration procedure covers everything for administering clients' family trusts. Once again, this allows the firm to handle family trust inquiries effortlessly and create another layer of work by delivering a professional trust administration service to your clients. Let's now take a look at trust risk reviews. The accounting firm should be taking central role to ensure that family trusts are administered properly and all the documentation is present and correct. As many of you will already know, the Law Commission is currently reviewing how family trusts are administered in New Zealand. To ensure family trusts are being administered as they should, you will find in this procedure the steps for doing a trust risk review. Following on from the company and trust procedures, let's now take a look at ACC. The ACC procedure documents the annual administration and advisory service for clients, once again allowing your firm to add on an additional service layer. You will see that the detail in this procedure allows for a smooth and seamless implementation of this service from the internal setup for the firm to engaging with the client and communicating with ACC on the client's behalf. Offering this service to clients ensures they have the right cover and the correct premiums are being charged. This is a natural area for accounting firms to offer this service to clients. Once again, Business Fitness New Zealand works closely with senior advisors at ACC. The next procedural area of content I'm going to take you into is the Business Advisory section. This section contains in-depth content for firms who wish to work proactively with their clients in developing their businesses. The Business Needs Assessment, or BNA, is a very effective way for assessing the service needs of your clients and helping them in areas within their business they may be having challenges with. The BNA is broken down into 10 key areas. Let's take a look at this report. The frequently asked question is another popular area of content for Business Fitness New Zealand. This contains simple scripts and reports to send to your clients on commonly asked questions. Providing these reports to clients improves communication and professionalism. As well, the reports can be very successfully value priced. Let's now take a look at the very simple layout of the frequently asked questions, or FAQs. The Clients section focuses on how to ensure your firm looks after new clients as well as nurturing your current clients. The new client procedure is a comprehensive procedure from the initial meeting to the engagement letters. Let's take a look at this procedure. Following on, the next procedural section is administration, and this section allows you to document how you take care of the administration tasks within your business, as well as having standard content such as debtor control. Let's take a look at the debtor control procedure. I think it is fair to say there is no shortage of work for accountants. However, the challenge might be clients paying. This procedure demonstrates how partners and directors are able to delegate this task to your administration team by providing great scripts and letters to manage poor payers. Implement this simple procedure and watch your cash flow grow. The team, strategic and marketing procedural content covers your internal HR, management and marketing needs. Another popular piece of content we publish is the Client Compliance Newsletter. This is designed for you to brand as your own and provide to your clients. Let's take a look at the Wilco newsletter. Key elements of our compliance newsletter and service include an emphasis on business and risk management, risk and reward, an equal emphasis on taxation and related topics that are relevant to your small to medium-sized clients, written in a practical and understandable style. We refer to tax talk. An additional emphasis on here and now business issues. This is the business perspective. From time to time, we'll also publish special alert editions where clients need to be informed about significant events. A great example of this is the LAQC Special Alert. We believe that a client newsletter services two main purposes. Firstly, it educates clients in a leveraged manner. Secondly, it should serve as an effective pre-engagement tool, enabling you to then engage your clients in worthwhile additional services. The second of our newsletters is the Business Forward newsletter. This is purely a business development and improvement focused newsletter. The topics are not date sensitive, so you can decide which edition you would like to send out to your clients. With nearly 400 accounting firms as clients throughout New Zealand, Business Fitness New Zealand provides a managed content program along with an implementation and ongoing training required to get the very most from your content investment. If you would like a further look at the Business Fitness New Zealand content suite, please call 0800 10 58 60, go to our website www.businessfitness.co.nz and book a 45-minute online demonstration.